Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech.
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. What is a noun? A noun is a word referred to as a person, a place, a thing, an animal, an idea. Have you ever think that everything around us has a name, isn't it? All these names and naming words are called noun. For example, man, house, car, positive thinking, and an elephant. Let's understand noun with an interactive activity. We will understand with the help of a story, so let's begin. A lady named Christine, who is a housewife, lived with her 2 sons, Jack and Noah. Both are children. We identify 5 noun naming words that are Christine, Noah, Jack, housewife, children. Good job. Now let's think about the things that comes under the umbrella of noun. Can you tell what are these? Noah and Jack visited the park and play on monkey bars, other children playing various games as flying kites, jumping on trampoline, playing football, and swing. Can you see different thing? What are these? Yes, kites, trampoline, swing, football, and monkey bar. Can you suggest different places where Noah and Jack visited and they could be referred as noun words as places? In different circumstances, Noah and Jack visit various places depends on requirement. These are places of noun, such as school, hospital, house, museum, cinema. Superb, you nailed it. Christine's sons loves to shelter different animals at their home, which are. Can you relate with the picture? Anyone? Animals as a noun are horse, cow, cat, dog, goat. What would be an idea? Then take a minute and explore. Noah loves to make friend. Jack listened to the lecture carefully. Both of them enjoy with their friends. What about the noun of idea? It would be friendship, loyalty, truth, wisdom, joy. Target achieved. We explore 5 places, 5 people, 5 things, 5 animals, 5 ideas. Let's summarize our today's lesson. Noun is a name of person, place, thing, animal, and idea, also referred to as a naming word. Stay tuned and connected for the next part of speech. Bye-bye.